Vignesh Puttur, a name no one knew until Mumbai Indians picked him. A boy from Kerala who never played T20 match as senior level, but now shining on the biggest stage. But before this, no one cares, no one claps. This is how the life works. The moment you rise, everyone wants to stand beside you. पण जेव्हा आपण struggle करत असतो, that time people will laugh, judge and compare with others. After completing my engineer degree, I came home. Everyone started asking, in which field you are completed your degree? I said computer science. Then immediate reply, अरे मग खूप जॉब आहेत, खूप मोठा पैसा आहे, लॅविश लाईफ आहे आणि तू इकडे काय करतो? पण खरं काय वास्तव आहे ते एका इंजिनियरलाच माहिती आहे. Not every path has clear roads. Your dream matters. What you want in life is also matter. So don't stop, keep working, keep pushing. Be like a machine. No delays, no excuse. Do it every day, no matter what. If you want to be different, you have to do what no one has done it before. लोक काय म्हणतील याचा विचार करू नका, पण कन्सिस्टंट राहा. One day success will be yours. Thank you.